What is up, 450 World? It's Craig from CraigerCo Classic. I'm here at Maple Leaf, and I found this truck, and you guys can see in the video what the heck is going on with this truck. Standing next to the owner here, what's your name, my man?
Terry Quarles.
All right, man. Where are you from?
Webb City.
Okay, so you're not crazy far, but
not far.
So awesome truck. What's going on with it, dude? What is happening here?
It's a 72 Ford 1-ton. Originally, it had a 12-foot flatbed, and we picked the style side bed up and made the fenders for it, shortened it up, put 05 axles under it, four-wheel drive. I won't tell you what the motor is.
No, we're going to talk about the motor. But tell me more about the axles. How'd you make that work?
A lot of welding, a lot of fabbing.
So what axles again?
It's an 05 1-ton.
05 Ford 1-ton.
350, yeah.
You just sort of made the hubs or got the hubs from somewhere else? Or
We bought the hubs online
to
go to the 22.5s.
Okay.
And then we welded it on the 72 frame.
Heck yeah, man, that's cool. What else have you done to this? I mean, you went dually in the back. You got the big wheels. What else have you done to it? Four-wheel drive, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's see. We've got a 453 Detroit in it, four-cylinder, with an Allison automatic 3-speed, with a Brownie 3-speed behind it. We got 6 Ford gears. With
cool.
the Brownie, it'll do 1/2 to 1, 1 to 1, and a 1.5 to 1. It'll run out about 80 mile an hour.
At what RPM?
Oh, probably 2,200.
Does that have a turbo on it?
Not yet.
Not yet. So what are you gonna go with?
I'm not sure. We're shopping.
Figuring it out.
Yes.
You should just get like a cat turbo and just make it work.
Well, we'll make something.
Make a hodgepodge.
That's right. We will.
What would you tell somebody trying to do what you're doing here?
It takes a lot of time.
A lot of welding.
Yes, for sure.
Well, that's cool. All right, hey, let's pop the hood. I want to look at this engine. I like the paint job, man.
Well, we just did that Thursday night, just so it's all one color.
So yeah, it's all. Yeah. So tell us about the engine. People don't really know what it is.
Stock industrial 453. It's all manual. It's probably from the 60s.
Does it even need a turbo?
It doesn't. It puts out about the same torque as a 12-valve Cummins.
With a turbo?
Without the turbo. Being 4-cylinder.
No, I'm at a Cummins with a turbo. This makes the same as that?
Make about the same.
That's cool. What are you going to do to it besides a turbo?
Just clean it up, put turbo on it. It's just going to be a driver.
What's you guys can't see it in the video, but what is this thing over here?
That's just a breather for right now.
This thing is so interesting looking.
Yeah. We can start it up.
Yeah, start that up. Hey, head to the back real quick and see if you can get the noise of the exhaust. Yeah. Kind of sounds like it has a turbo. Did you hear that? Spool? I heard something spooling. That was interesting. That's
yeah.
I mean, nothing was spooling, but it sounded like it already has a turbo.
Yeah.
Well, this is cool. What is the next plan you have for this truck?
Well, a few more motor issues, belts and hoses, and then it's going to body shop.
Okay. Anything fancy?
I'm not sure. We're just going to rip it all apart and let them guys handle it. I'm not a body man at all.
Who are you going with, you think?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, somebody local? Are you going to send it off?
Probably somebody local. Yeah. I like to keep
that way you can go keep looking at it and make sure they're not messing
on it. That's right.
Yeah. Well, that's cool. Besides body, what's the next step?
That and just play with it.
So turbo, body.
Turbo, body.
Here. I mentioned, you guys see those fenders that he has on the side for the dualies. Talked about doing taking 4 F600 same era fenders, cut them in half and make the fenders out of it. A lot of people are doing that on these.
I wish I'd have seen you before I did this.
You still can. You go into a body man.
This was from Race Brothers.
Oh, yeah?
And we bought trailer fenders, and then I patterned all this out with cardboard and just kind of free-handed it.
What size wheels are those?
22.5s.
They're cool, man. That's really what makes this truck. I mean, the engine's cool. Everything else is awesome about this, but those wheels is what make it. How does it drive?
Good. Good.
Yeah.
It really drives good, surprisingly. It does not like bumps.
I believe that. Well, that's cool. Hey, are you a part of 450 World?
No, I'm not yet.
Are you on Facebook?
Yes.
All right, man. Well, here is a little card there. You can head there, and I'm going to give you a little sticker here, my man.
Yes, sir.
Put that on a toolbox or something, dude.
I'll do it.
Well, hey, check it out. Post pictures of this truck, and I guarantee you tons of people are going to ask you about it.
That's
Guaranteed. Great. So you're going to have a lot of, if you want to share your information.
Yeah, I will.
Okay, head there, post it, tag me in it. My name's Craig, but I'll leave you hanging out with your friends and your family over there. I appreciate the time, dude.
Yes, sir. Thanks, sir.
Thank you, man. See you.
All right.